Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off voicemail on Android. So the easiest way to turn off the voicemail on Android is to simply call the carrier. Call the carrier and tell them to turn off the voicemail for you. After that, they will turn off the voicemail for you. This is the easiest way to turn off the voicemail. But due to some reason, if you do not want to do that, in that case, what you have to do is launch upon the phone application. You can see over here phone application has been opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find three dots. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like call history, settings, help and feedback. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, you might be able to find the option for call forwarding. If you find that option, simply tap on it and you'll be able to turn off call forwarding to voicemail. Alternatively, what you can do is simply find the option for voicemail and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the voicemail interface. You'll be able to find the options like notifications and advanced settings. Tap on the option advanced settings. Now you'll be able to see your service and setup over here. Tap on the option setup. Now you'll be able to see the voicemail number. Tap on it. Now you can see over here the voicemail number will be displayed. Simply erase it. Now tap on the OK option. Tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here the voicemail number will not be set. That means your voicemail has been turned off. So like this, you'll be able to turn off voicemail on Android. So that is how you turn off voicemail on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.